crap. No, I'm recording the fire alarm. Holy crap.
Wait, can we make sure there's a propane tank? I want to make sure there's a big explosion at the end. Yeah, just make it a good fire.
Dude, it was the same detector that was causing that other thing. There's no fire, I can guarantee you.
There was smoke. I know you see a fire burst out of the building.
Yeah, because it said it was in the upper gym. There's vents up there, so if we would have seen smoke coming out the top.
If there was smoke coming out the top, then we should be worried.
Oh, here, look, upper gym south. That's right there. See that vent on the side? Smoke would be coming out of that vent right there. Yeah, there's no fire.
There's no fire. Yeah. I'm tired and don't need to sit down.
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Willis. Can I turn that off? That's getting really annoying.
Let's leave it on. Let's let them deal with it.
Okay.
We're not supposed to deal. There's another fire nearby.
Everybody, keep running the play.
Oh yeah!
Because of the fire. That's
Extra careful.
I don't want him to hurt me again.
This is ridiculous.
I like my shirt. Read what it says. What were you doing over there?
I was on the phone right over there.
In this went off.
Yeah, what's up?
We were right there. I was about to literally call my. I was about to get on the phone, then it goes off.
when.
There were so many here.
My mom thinks I should become a redhead.
Like her?
I know, but
This is so stupid.
That's orange.
That is getting really annoying.
Yes, it is.
Oh, come on. The off button is right there. Oh, my God.
Run inside, turn it off, come back up. Me and Charles will create a distraction.
So were you talking?
Oh wait, no, there's a distraction. I do it now.
Fire down here.
Don't even come, even if they call you. It's just
Wait, even if you call them and tell them not to come, they still have to come because it's a school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, it's a school.
Where's it at?
This happened when we were in 6th grade. The fire alarm went off during play practice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shot.
I wasn't in the place. No, that was only.
Fire alarm. Shut up, stupid fire alarm. Oh, wait, there they are. I hear them. I hear them. They're gonna be pissed off.
Why?
Well, it's not a real fire.
When they come to top guys, you don't want to get out.
I heard their siren.
Yeah, I can hear the siren.
There they are. Yeah, but my uncle works with these. My uncle installs these fire alarms, so. Wow.
Pretty red light!
Wow, this is stupid.
Are you video? Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Are you videotaping
It's funny.
this?
Yeah. Oh, here they come.
Oh, here it comes.
Here comes the fire department. Oh my God. Wow.
I'm so curious about how the fire was started.
I'm calling mom. I'm telling the fire alarm just went off.
Crap. That is annoying. Big fire engine.
Don't give!
I ain't Santa! you are now.
Dude, you sat on my hand. Oh.
That was not me.
Look at that.
Stop him.
You sat on my hand.
That was him.
They're chalking the wheel. Making it so it can't
I'm
move.
gonna say chocolate.
Yeah, we would see smoke by now if there was a fire.
Maybe it's
So there's
contained in the
probably
kitchen.
propane in there.
No, it's the smoke detector that's in the upper gym over there. Smoke would be coming out of the vents if there was an actual fire. I can guarantee you.
Something.
It was the exact same detector 2 years ago that went off. It was doing the exact same thing 2 years ago.
Locker rooms are made of steel, so they help you
No, it's the smoke. That smoke detector's above the locker room.
because the heat rises, and then the smoke would detect it a lot quicker. I feel bad for them. They put on this heavy gear on a hot day.
There's no fire.
There's no
I
fire.
feel bad for him.
I was right next to where. Oh, they have a FLIR.
Do you have any cool stickers?
I know. But I was right next to where it said it was going off.
Do you have any cool stickers?
Hey, they're using a FLIR camera.
Do you have any cool stickers?
Oh my god, there's a chainsaw.
Oh my god.
Why are black people afraid of chainsaws?
Chainsaw. Do you have any cool stickers?
The place where it went off is down there. It's not here, it's down there.
Do you have any cool stickers? Don't worry, guys. I'll get
Crap, this is annoying.
Comes back out. I'm starting to alarm.
Watch this. Dr. Corey's just gonna come speeding down the thing in like 5 minutes.
She'd be like, why is everybody okay? I need to check everyone. One on one.
And then if you like step on the street, you're like,
Stop! Don't step here at school!
move 150 feet away from the building. I always wondered what these things were.
Yeah. So, dude, there was an explosion and I picked up all the girls and carried them out. Okay, and they invited me in and we came in and put it out together. But then it turns out there's a bomb that I planted it by using my tweezers I had in my pack.
Yep, there's Dr. Corey.
Oh my god, you calling me?
Serious? Call
Dude.
what?
Jamie Eisenberg, props.
Dude, in daytime, like they're like running away from the explosion and they're like running backwards and it's like, a movie just showed a scene.
It's all good, guys. We just have a false alarm.
It's down there where it went off.
Is it down there?
Yes,
Should
it
we
is
tell
down
them?
there. Well, I already tried.
Fire's down there.
Yeah, it's in upper gym south. We'd see smoke if there was a fire.
Then I stole the fire truck, drove down the road.
Guys, know how to take a picture of the fire truck?
Oh, yeah, let's get a picture about the fire truck.
Wait, skip this. Hey, right here. Get in